No makeup. What can I say?
Hello everyone. So I'm sitting here with Dana Biddle in her studio here in Heidelberg. It's a treasure trove of natural yarns and fabrics and floss,
Embroidery
threads. Yes, so we are super excited because we are going to do this sheep. Now, this one I did in an embroidery hoop, but the one that we're going to do in Fishhoek is going to be on a crossbody bag or a scatter cushion. So you can decide which one you want to do. But I want Dana to just share with you a little bit about the wool. Now, this is mostly synthetic wool, combined with some organza and some lace and everything, but we're going to use her fabulous wool. So let me hand it over to her so that she can talk to you about the wool that we're going to use for this beautiful project.
So we have got here some lovely hand spun mohair.
Oh, this is lovely. And of course, if you hold it, you will know that you are holding real wool and not synthetic wool. Oh, I love how it curls. This is going to make for stunning sheep. Oh, I'm so excited.
And brushed mohair.
Oh, look at this. Brushed mohair. Oh, this is stunning, Dana.
And some boucle mohair.
Boucle mohair. Oh, and it's got these little swirlies in. It's perfect for... I actually have silver wool that's got this, that's spun or woven like this with a little loopies.
Spun, yeah.
Yeah, spun, not
inserts,
woven,
yeah.
fabric's woven.
And then this is some more hand spun merino.
Oh, this is also, oh, it feels lovely. And of course, we can also like fluff this up a little
and
bit.
Some nice chunky hand spun merino.
Oh, yes.
And on the weekend, I'm going to be spinning some more. That
wow.
will be even chunkier.
So in your kit for the day, you are going to get some of all of this wool, pieces of all of this. You won't get all of it because it's expensive.
And you don't need so much.
But you're going to get a piece of everything so that we can work it into your sheep. And yes, so there's also some fabrics, hand stitching on shwe shwe, and it's just a lovely slow stitch project.
I think it's going to be amazing. Yeah. Everybody's going to really enjoy it.
Yes. So book your spots now because the space is limited.
Yes.
And for those of you, I had some inquiries and people say, oh, do it here and do it there. It's so far to drive. It's not so far to drive from the northern suburbs. I'm driving all the way from Somerset West to Fishhoek to do this class. And yes, it's going to be a lovely day out.
It will be a lovely day out. Yeah. There's ample parking for everybody. Although, obviously, it's easier to bring a friend and travel together.
Yes.
And we have a lovely coffee shop there.
Yes.
So there's tea and coffee and drinks and eats, and it'll just be a really lovely day.
Yes, so we will include the link to book in the comments of this video reel. So you just click on it, it'll direct you to Dana's website and you'll get all the information that you need on there. We hope to see you there. You can, like I said, you can choose between your scatter cushion or a crossbody bag. You decide. But of course, once you've learned how to do it and you have the pattern for the face, you can go and do the other one at home.
Absolutely.
Yes.
And we'll have some extra bags and extra cushion covers.
And extra kits.
Extra kits so that you can take some home and make some extras.
Yes. So, do this with us. See you there. Bye.